Pour it out. Come back in the kitchen again with another one with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It is amazing to be in the kitchen to giving you your favorite recipes and your ideas of things where you love to make at home. Today I'm going to be giving you something fantastic and amazing, something which, you know what I mean, for summer, you know what I mean, because summer is just around the corner. A couple of weeks from now it's going to be summer, so you know exactly what's going on. So we're going to be starting off some summer recipe, something totally different. We got some pineapple and some, you know what I mean, some carrot and, you know, bits and pieces. So we're going to be starting off some beautiful summer juice to boost up the immune system, some health and wellness juice to get in your stomach and work up in your tummy. A good vibes, people. So stay tuned in. Don't forget, the summer recipe them will be starting now. All right, so you can start, get yourself prepared and get yourself a blender and start learning to make some good juice, a good vibes. Lovely. So beautiful people, we got one medium-sized carrot, it's a large one. We got some fresh ginger, pineapple, beetroot, and some key lime right here. So we're gonna put all of this mixture right here, so, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. All right, as I said, the summer recipe kick off, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. All right, let's make some nice in our kitchen and wake up our neighbor. A good vibes. Which I'm going to give you is going to be something totally different from every other else kind of recipe which I normally give you at home. So what we're going to do, the first thing what we're going to do, we're going to put some fresh chopped up ginger, already peeled off, wash off and ready. All right, secondly, we're going to put one key lime inside of it. I'm already prep up them stuff there already, get everything up and running. We're gonna put one medium-sized beetroot inside of it. All right, with some pineapple. All right, we're gonna use roughly about half a cups of pineapple inside of it. So something totally different where you guys can make. All right, so we're going to be using some alkaline water. So to me have the carrot, I'm going to put a little bit of water inside of it. So we're going to blend off this first. All right, and it's not going to be a long video neither. In the meantime, grab yourself one of this. Let's blend up this little bit of ingredients right here. All right, so what we're going to do next is put in some carrot inside of it. So I'm using a medium-sized carrot. Oh yeah, gets inside of it. Yeah, that is lovely and nice. So you can see for yourself, we're using alkaline water, which is also put on that lid. All right, yeah, things looking good as usual. Good vibes, people. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a little bit more nice, and you know exactly what to do. All right, let's pour it out just like this. All right, so I love to use a strainer because at least 50% of this is going into the juice. All right, pour it in the rest. Put a little bit of water and just rinse it out, pour it in like this. Good vibes, people. Look at that. Something totally different in the kitchen this evening, so you can see it for yourself. All right, yeah. Get the whole of that liquid out of it. All right. Look at that, beautiful and nice, and it is simple, doesn't complicate it to make at home. All right, so what we're gonna do this, there's more can come out of it, but I'm gonna put it on one side, let it go and drain in the meantime. All right, I'm not finished with it. The rest of this you can have it at home too, guys. All right, yeah. Good vibes. You don't have to pour it away. You can have it and you will be happy with it also. But now look at this. Pour it out. Wow. That is excellent. All right. Now what you can do, wake up early in the morning and make this one, all right, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So this recipe is very good for the summer, all right. It's just an amazing recipe where you can make for the summer and enjoy it for the summer right here, guys. So whatever you guys are doing, this is a fantastic recipe for you to give something different and to try something and an amazing at home. Yeah, a good vibe. So welcome back in the kitchen again, guys. This one was amazing. I just finished the drink and trust me, the flavor, the taste, the texture was so delicious. I want you to go and check it out yourself and make it at home. All right, watch the video and make it at home. Now I'm gonna tell you the honest truth, I never tasted any drinks taste so lovely for such a very long time. I want to take the time to say thank you so much for your time, and remember to get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. All right, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipe to Success. Love and all, big up on yourself, and I appreciate you guys watching this video.